Hello, this is my quick video tutorial on how to use isometric paper, which is what we've got here, to draw 3D shapes like the ones shown. As I've done a letter T, a quick cube, and then a larger cube. So if we get a fresh canvas up, okay, what we need to do is we need to start by drawing a straightforward cube. So the simplest 3D shape, just a square box, a cube. And when you're drawing a cube, always start by drawing a diamond on the isometric paper. So what we do is we draw a diamond. Okay. Now this basically is going to become like the top face of the cube. Okay, so if we were looking down, that's the face that we would see. And then you can add to that the side face. Okay. And then you could add the front face. Okay. So really what we've got is we've got something made up of three shapes. A diamond such as that for the top. A diamond like that for the front face. And then a diamond like that. Okay. For the side face. And these things all fit together to form the cube that we've got here. Now, some people's brains just can get this paper really easily. Mine doesn't. I've had to practice. So the thing to do is just practice drawing your cube till you're happy with how to get the basic shape right. Okay, because it's one of those things that if you practice it, you'll get into the rhythm and you'll see how to do it. Okay, so that's a basic cube. Remember, start with the diamond and then add each the front face and the side face to get your final cube. Okay, you'll have hours of fun practicing those. Right, so let's say we want to go for something a little bit more complicated, like a letter. Then what we've got to do is we've got to think again of how this is made up, this letter or this shape we're going to make. How's it basically made up of those individual building blocks that we've been practicing to draw? So let's say I want to do a T. I'd start exactly the same way with a diamond as if I was going to make a box. Okay. But obviously the top of this T is going to be, let's say we make it 3 long. Okay, so this now shows, if you were looking down, these are the faces that you'd see looking down from above, the plan view of this T. And then we need to put into the front face, so just like you're making lots of separate boxes, okay, that will then form the top of the T. All right, now this takes a while, and if you're getting befuddled in a model, just go back to drawing your basic box until you get your brain back into how you draw them on the isometric paper. So now we want the bottom part of the T. So again, we can see the front face is going to come down like this, isn't it? So we can draw our front faces on. But then it's sort of like half 2D, the front's 2D, and half 3D. The top seems to be 3D. So we need to think, okay, well, here we're going to have the back of the T coming down. So, really, what you need to do is you need to practice, like I said, first drawing the boxes. Then you can construct bigger shapes using a combination of boxes like the T. If you want to draw a bigger cube, simply draw a bigger diamond first. So instead of drawing this, okay, if you drew this, for example, okay, straight away you can see we're gonna turn this into a much bigger. I'm going to fall down. We can turn this into a much bigger cube just by starting with a bigger diamond. Okay, a bigger diamond on this top surface. Right. Some questions coming your way. We'll start with an easy one, just drawing a cube, and then I'll give you some isometric paper in lessons so you can take it home and have a look at this tutorial and try and do the questions. Okay, so here come your questions. Okay, so here are your questions. Hopefully you should be able to do these having seen how we use this paper to draw 3D shapes. So on some isometric paper provided, so I'll give you that in class. when you've got to do this tutorial. Or if you need to have a look at this. Draw a simple cube, question 1. A cube where all sides have been doubled in length. So a bigger cube, basically. And then thirdly, the letter L. See if you can draw the letter L. That should keep you going. So get your isometric paper, get on with it, and then compare yours to the answers that I shall put up now. And there you go. That's the sort of thing you should be looking at. We've got a simple cube. Oh, sorry, Photoshop. I'll highlight my layer. Right, simple cube. A cube where each of the sides are twice as long, so an enlargement of a cube, and then a bit of a scruffy L, but you can tell it's an L. Okay, I hope this has helped you get your hang around using isometric paper. Okay, bye for now.